Here we have a Skoda CITIGO 1 litre MPI 60 PS Colour Edition 5-door hatchback. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include LED daytime running lights, privacy glass, anti-lock braking system and power assisted speed sensitive steering. It also comes with 15-inch Crux black alloy wheels as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity and a smartphone holder. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.